how you create value, meaning how do you produce the thing you sell. In this case, I'm using palm oil. And then how do you deliver it? Are you packaging it? Are you selling it wholesale? And then how do you make money from it? If you don't know the details of how you create, how you deliver, you cannot capture value. So you can create, you can deliver, but you're not making money. So you hear people say, I'm doing this business, but I'm not making money. So somebody came to me and said, I'm doing this business today, but I cannot make money. So my question is, where are you putting your energy? Where are you spending your time? One of the things that I discussed recently at a summit is the Pareto principle, 80-20. Where are you spending most of your time? Are you spending your time where you're making money, or you work, like they say, you work like an elephant, you eat like an ant, no profit? So it's very important. As you are doing business, you need to have a business model. How are you going to make money from it? There's no point doing business and you're not making money. How will you grow? You can't even grow. You cannot be financially literate if you're not making money. I'm going to talk more about this in my next video. This is a series. I think it's going to be in about 5 parts or so. I'm going to talking about business models, understanding how to make money. My problem is too many small businesses and we are not making money. I've been there. I've made that mistake before. We have to learn how to make money from doing business. Otherwise, we will just not be making anything. So stay with me. In this series, I'm going to be talking about business modeling. How do you make money? And it's part of financial literacy. It's part of investment readiness. If you are not making money, nobody's going to give you money. Trust me. Nobody will give you money. So look at yourself. Before you watch the next video, ask yourself, am I making money? I'm asking myself, so am I making money? So see you in the next video. Watch out for part 2 of this.